Hello everyone! Welcome to our English learning class. Today we're going to learn the 12 English tenses in a simple and fun way. Tenses tell us when an action happens, in the present, past, or future. Don't worry, we'll learn each tense with easy formulas and examples. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Present simple tense. The present simple tense is used for daily habits, routines, and facts. Formula: subject plus verb 1 plus object. Examples: I eat breakfast every morning. She goes to school every day. Birds fly in the sky. The sun rises in the east. Quick tip: use this tense for things that happen regularly or are always true. Present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used for actions happening right now. Formula: subject plus am, is, are, plus verb ing. Examples: I am reading a book. She is singing a song. They are playing football. The baby is sleeping. Quick tip: look for words like now, right now, or at the moment. Present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used for actions completed recently or experiences. Formula: subject plus has or have plus verb 3. Examples: I have finished my homework. She has cleaned her room. They have arrived. We have visited the zoo. Quick tip: use this tense when the exact time is not important. Present perfect continuous tense. This tense shows an action that started in the past and is still continuing. Formula: subject plus has or have been plus verb ing. Examples: I have been studying for 2 hours. She has been cooking since morning. They have been playing all day. We have been waiting here. Quick tip: remember the words since and for. Past simple tense. The past simple tense talks about completed actions in the past. Formula: subject plus verb 2. Examples: I visited my grandmother. She cooked dinner. They played cricket. We watched a movie. Quick tip: look for time words like yesterday, last week, or last year. Past continuous tense. The past continuous tense describes an action that was happening at a specific time in the past. Formula: subject plus was or were plus verb ing. Examples: I was sleeping. She was cooking. They were studying. It was raining. Quick tip: imagine a movie scene that was happening in the past. Past perfect tense. The past perfect tense tells us one action happened before another action in the past. Formula: subject plus had plus verb 3. Examples: I had finished my homework before dinner. She had left before I arrived. They had eaten lunch. We had completed the project. Quick tip: think of it as the past before the past. Past perfect continuous tense. This tense shows how long an action continued before another past action. Formula: subject plus had been plus verb ing. Examples: I had been studying for 3 hours. She had been working all day. They had been waiting for the bus. We had been traveling since morning. Quick tip: this tense often answers the question, how long? Future simple tense. The future simple tense talks about future plans, promises, or predictions. Formula: subject plus will plus verb 1. Examples: I will help you. She will come tomorrow. They will study English. We will travel next week. Quick tip: the word will tells us the action is in the future. Future continuous tense. The future continuous tense describes an action that will be happening at a certain time in the future. Formula: subject plus will be plus verb ing. Examples: I will be studying tonight. She will be cooking dinner. They will be playing football. We will be traveling tomorrow. Quick tip: picture an action that will be in progress later. Future perfect tense. The future perfect tense shows an action that will be completed before a future time. Formula: subject plus will have plus verb 3. Examples: I will have finished my homework by 8 o'clock. She will have arrived before noon.
They will have completed the project. We will have reached home by evening. Quick tip: the action finishes before a specific future time. Future perfect continuous tense. This tense shows how long an action will have continued before a future time. Formula: subject plus will have been plus verb ing. Examples: I will have been studying for 3 hours. She will have been working since morning. They will have been traveling for 2 days. We will have been living here for 5 years. Quick tip. Focus on the duration of the action in the future. Quick review. Let's remember, present tenses talk about now. Past tenses talk about yesterday. Future tenses talk about tomorrow. Learning tenses helps you speak and write English correctly. Practice every day and you will become more confident. Great job! Today you learned the 12 English tenses with easy formulas and examples. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share and subscribe for more fun English lessons.